Welcome. In this video I will explain all the icons in the camera view on DJI Osmo Pocket 4. So let's start with the one in the bottom left corner, which is the shooting mode. Right now it's set to video, but we can switch it to any other mode of our preference and tap on it to apply the settings. This may also limit the amount of settings that we can use. Now, the one in the middle on the left side is the smart modes. So here we have things like spotlight follow, we also have dynamic framing, and we have the Spinshot settings. Let's go back. Now in the top left corner we have the amount of time we have left for recording a video, or maybe the amount of shots if we are in the photo mode that is left on our device, and this is a dynamic value. It depends on how much space you have left in your storage. Now here in the top right corner we have both the facial modes, and we also have the battery level, and beneath we have the either the tilt or zoom meter. So if you tap right here, your joystick, which is right here, will start controlling the zoom of your camera, and if you tap this icon once again, it will start controlling the tilt. So moving the joystick will change the tilt of your camera, and here we can rotate the gimbal. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.